Welcome to my bathroom, you guys. Actually, we are flying out tonight to Colorado for a week. And it's my husband and my daughter's first time to Colorado. And I've only been once as an adult for a couple days. So we're going back. We're spending a whole week there. I'm so excited. So I wanted to show you really quickly my top must-have beauty essentials for travel and how I pack them, because I am a packing wizard. I travel a lot. So I want to show you how I cram all of my stuff, because I bring a lot of stuff. I do not travel light, you guys. I want to show you how I pack it all and what I bring. Let's start first with skincare. I love these bags by Ali because they're super compact. I don't know if you guys can see the size of my hand. She has different sizes, but I like the small ones because it forces me to fit everything in here. I have a lot of skincare crammed in here, you guys. So I get these bottles from Amazon to hold different things, and then I just put a label over it to show what is in there. So I have a bunch of those in here. And then I usually take a couple serums. I told you guys I'm an overpacker, but it's crammed in here. I take a couple serums. So I have the First Sully one. And then you guys know I love the SkinCeutical serums. Because Colorado's super dry, I'm using that because I need something that's going to hydrate my skin and kind of calm it down. I've got a razor in here. I always take a little tiny eye makeup remover. This is actually the Clinique eye makeup remover, but I use this little bottle because she's tiny. And then here's more. And then here's more of those bottles I got from Amazon. I like them because they're airless pumps, so I can just kind of refill them as I need, but it keeps it airless and nice and tight in there. So that is my overnight repair. That's my moisturizer. I really love this Sunday Riley lactic acid, so I bring that serum. This has the Bobbi Brown face oil in it. This is my pre-cleanser. And then I have an extra cleanser just because I usually run out of this because we're gone for so long. So I have it as a backup. This is my La Roche-Posay cleanser. Then I have a little tube of toothpaste, the Marvis brand. I really like that one. And then in here is honestly a bunch of little random stuff that I may need. Like there's my exfoliant from Dermalogica. This is my eye depuffer, my eye cream from Murad. This is my lash serum that I use from The Ordinary. Tongue scraper, little perfumes. I keep some teeth whitening strips in there, scissors, and then floss and some random stuff at the bottom. So there's that. And then let's go into the hair and the rest of the skincare stuff. This is for my skin, not my face, you guys. Don't freak out. This is for my body. I need a body scrub, so I use this on my chest and my back. And then in here I have some of my hair stuff. Like I really like that hairspray by Oribe. And then I have, this is the shampoo I use. There's a conditioner in here. And then I love the body lotion from Necessaire. I think it's really, really nice. And then this here is a hair oil, the Gold Lust one from Oribe. I'm going to use that on this trip. I just got it, so I'm really excited to try that. I've got one perfume. And then this is body oil for my skin that I keep in the shower. And then I love the Kenra blow dry spray. So that's kind of what I keep here in my hair items. And then my second little bag that's the same size as this guy here. This is for just leftover kind of hair stuff and some cotton pads. So here's a cotton pads. There's some Q-tips underneath. I have my Velcro rollers, which I need to clean. Sorry. My dry shampoo that I like, and then this is my root cover-up that I use for my scalp if I need to cover it up because my hair is kind of thinning and it goes gray really fast, so I use that all the time. That's one of my favorites for covering up roots. So that's that bag. Over here is my suitcases. Do you guys see Lady over here? That's my to-go suitcase that I'm taking on the plane. That's my winter jacket in there, and she thinks it's a blanket, and she keeps sitting on it. She thinks that she's going with me in my suitcase, and that's her blanket. You were fighting over it too. Both of them were, huh? Huh, lady, you think that's yours? You're not going in that suitcase. Okay, so in this bag here, this is where I have my blow dryer, which I'm super excited to show you guys because I like it. It's really small and it fits perfectly in my suitcase. And they're actually my sponsor for today's video, which I'm so excited about because I'm giving one of these away for you guys. So let me show you really quick how I use it and then announce the giveaway. So let me show you the hair dryer. So this is the Swift hair dryer. I'm so excited to take this on my trip because it's super small. Let me show you guys my old hair dryer that I used to take all the time. I used to have this for years. Like I said, it's been years since I bought a new blow dryer, and this is my old one, but because I'm traveling, I really like this one because it takes up much less room. But the cool thing about that is it dries your hair super fast, 5 times faster than most other blow dryers out there, and it's pretty quiet. So it has a couple buttons here. If you guys can see, you'll turn it on here. It's pretty powerful just at the lowest speed setting. But The bottom button here is where you can rotate through hot and cold. And the purpose of that is to save your hair. It's healthier for your hair because it's not gonna dry it out with just constant heat. It's gonna rotate through hot, warm, and cool air. And that's the cool feature about this one. So let me show you guys how I do it. So you turn it on, and do you see the ring lights changing colors? It's going from blue, pink to red. That's rotating through, and I can feel it too. It's going hot to cold. And then I just take a paddle brush like this, and I just blow dry my hair down like that. It keeps it super shiny. Do you see how fast it's drying? That's just a couple passes, you guys. And I have extensions in here, so it's pretty thick in there. So for it to dry that fast is pretty good. And I wanted to show you guys the colors. This is my favorite part. I did not accept this sponsorship, you guys, just because it has a cute pink color. It's a bonus. I actually really do like the blow dryer, but look how cute the pink color is. So here's the site. So you could choose 4 colors for this version. This is the Swift. It comes in, there's like a gray, a black, a white, and then this light pink. And then they have another version, which is the SE, and that's this guy here. And this one comes in different colors. They have a lavender, so if you guys love purple, look how cute that is. They have a white, a light blue. Look at the light blue one, if you guys can see that. And of course, you know I love pink, so I had to get the pink one. But isn't that super cute, you guys? Okay, so once my hair is blow dry, I put it in my rollers. Too sexy for my rollers, too sexy for my rollers. Okay, I hit the button here because you can change the setting to where it's just cool, and you'll know it's cool because it'll have a blue circle. Let me show you. There's the whole setting. And then I just pop on this. I just kind of run it over with the cool setting. And then I pop these bad boys out. Kind of do one last brush through. Do you see how shiny it is? Look at that, look at that. So pretty. So if you guys want to win this actual hairdryer here, the light pink one, I hope you guys like pink because that was the one I chose. It's my favorite color. So if you guys want to win this, all you have to do is be a subscriber, comment in this video below, and I will pick one of you at random to win this Laufin hairdryer. And then this is the other suitcase. I don't usually bring 2 suitcases, you guys, but we're gone for a week and it's winter time. So a lot of like my jackets and my boots take up so much room. So I have to take 2 suitcases. Here's my heat pad. This is the other hair tool that I take. I have a straightener, and then somewhere in there is my curling wand. I love this curling wand by Bionic. Super nice. So that's what I use for my hair tools. And I forgot to show you guys too, this is the mirror that I take with me because some hotels don't have mirrors at a desk that I can set at. So I always take this folding mirror. This is actually what I film with, you guys, but it's by the brand Ricky, and it lights up. So you just charge it up and it lights up anywhere, but look how super thin it is, and it has a stand so you can place it anywhere. So that always goes in my suitcase as well. Okay, so here's my bag, you guys. Let's start with brushes. These are the only 3 face brushes that I'm bringing. The Anisa Pinnacle foundation brush. You guys know I love this for all over my face for foundation, so I put that in the top here. And then the angled concealer brush from Anisa. Love that. And then the BK Beauty, they have a travel version of their 101 brush. This is the full size version. Do you guys see the handle difference? So I take the shorter one because it takes up less room, so that goes in there. And then here's my 6 eye brushes that I bring. I want to bring like a small crease brush. This is a Wayne Goss one. A small kind of detail brush like this. This is a BK Beauty 210. Makeup Geek Define Crease Brush. I like that for darkening the outer corner. The Makeup Geek Multi-Purpose Brush. I pack the lid and I put stuff on the crease on that. That's like a very good multi-purpose brush. I have this little tiny pencil brush from Hakuhodo that I like. And then the Makeup Geek Dual-Ended Brow Brush. But basically, you guys, you just need some different sizes and shapes just to do different detail work and for soft blending. So there's the shapes. And the only 3 pencils I bring is a black eyeliner, a black liquid liner. This is the Valentina one, which I love. And then you guys know I love this Makeup Forever Wherever Walnut lip color. I usually don't go too crazy with my lips when I travel. I always end up doing a nude, so I just bring 1 lip liner, and those go in there like that. Brow products, I bring a brow pencil. Usually I use the Senna Cosmetic ones, but this is the Anastasia one because I'm out of my Senna. And then the NYX Lift and Snatch, you guys, for getting for getting those fine brow lines. Incredible. So those go in the top 2. Tweezers and a little scissor. Is that a lash stuck on there? There is. Well, you know what? That's going to Colorado too. Lastly, I have the Dior Show mascara. That's what I'm bringing. And then this lash glue because I'm going to apply lash singles. This is by Falscara. So I'm going to drop those 2 in here. And that completes the top part. These products, you guys know the NARS Sheer Glow. That's already going in there. That is the shade 1.5 medium. And then the Chanel Color Corrector in Peach. You guys know I love that for my dark circles. The Dermablend, I actually use this as a concealer, the shade N25. So that goes in there like that. And then a baby size of the One Size Beauty, my favorite loose powder of all time, goes in there. And then I throw in a sponge. I get these from Amazon. So we're going to take a brand new one out. These guys, amazing. You guys, actually, I'll probably put 2 in there just in case one gets dirty, because my daughter be messing around with my sponges. So there's 2. You guys don't need this if you have loose powder too, but I take this for touch-ups on the go. So this I usually keep in my purse, but I'm going to put it in here just for now. This is the Fenty Beauty Press Powder. This is the shade 210. It might be a little bit dark. As you guys can see, I have multiple shades. I have a 120, which is a little too light. 200 I might be able to take, but I think it's kind of old. Let me look. Yeah, she's almost gone. I got my Sephora box from the Sephora sale. Hold on, there's a Fenty Beauty one in here. I got a new one. That tells you how much I like that powder, you guys. I mean, like, seriously, I have multiple colors. There's one downstairs, too, but this is the shade 185, so let's bring that one. She's all brand new, look, untouched. It probably has the sponge in there still and everything. Oh, yeah, baby. That's going to Colorado right there. Now we got a beauty blender sponge just in case I need some blending. We love a good pawpaw. Come here, pawpaw. You getting a brand new one. You're going in there, too, baby. These products, I have the Makeup by Mario bronzer. It is incredible. I have the color medium. Wow, that is really well used. So that's going to go in here like that. Makeup Geek blush in Sweetness. I know it's beat to hell, but it's my favorite color. So that's going in. And then look, I found a little baby version of Hollywood Flawless Filter. So that's going in too. Now for eyeshadows, I'll usually take a Natasha Denona one, or I will have a compact and old Makeup Geek one with the old school shadows. There's a couple of Terra Moon in there. I think those might be Sydney Grace, maybe a Makeup Geek eyeshadow, a sample one. So I'll either take this or a Natasha Denona one. But if you guys want some other options, the Viseart ones, these little baby, they're called the Petite Pearls. Look how tiny those are. But you can drop out the pan. So if you have different versions of them, you can kind of mix them together to create your perfect palette. And then for lips, I already have the lip liner, so I'm just going to bring some lipsticks. I actually just got this in that Sephora box, you guys, the Makeup by Mario Moisture on the Glow. They're actually really nice, and look how small they are, so it's good for travel. I'm just going to bring this lighter color here, so we'll put that in. And then I like to bring 2 lipstick options, one that's maybe a little deeper or brighter, and one that's kind of a nude. These are the Sephora ones that you guys know I really like, and they double as a blush. So I'll use this as a cream blush as well as lipstick, so that's why I like those. But you guys have to choose a formula that's kind of shiny. Do you guys see how it's like a shiny lipstick formula? Don't use a matte, and then that way it works as a dewy blush. And lastly, I like the Lunar Beauty lip glosses, so I'm going to put that in there. And then this is my lip balm that I use at night before I go to bed, the K-Skin one. It is so freaking good, you guys. It's better than Laneige ones. I said it. Don't argue with me. It's really good. And then the last 2 items I have, you guys, is my setting spray. I use this one only because it's the only one I could find that has a travel version. I really wish Hollywood Flawless Filter had a smaller one, but I'm using this one as my setting spray because it's smaller. And then this is my on-the-go brush cleaner that I'm using by Anissa Beauty. So freaking good, you guys. This quick dry, you spray it on a paper towel, rub your brush on it, bam, clean brushes. So that has to go in here too. And it fits, look. Look, it fits, you guys, it fits. To rearrange it a little bit to get it to fit better. Oh, and I added this Natasha Denona concealer just in case, because I like that one too. I'm an overpacker, like I told you. But let me zip it up so I can show you guys the full results. Told you guys it would fit. I mean, she's tight in there. It was a tight zip, but I got it all to fit. And you know I'm a heavy packer. Okay, Audie. You ready to go on our flight?
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah.
Where are we going? Do you know?
Yeah, we're going on a... Mom, where are we going?
On an airplane? We're going to Colorado. You say Colorado? Colorado. We're going.
Colorado.
Daddy's hiding over there.